Penifro kajing petip na kabenta ki candidate ki ba apply namta ki post kabre pok Ayush district Ayush society is Khasil Shillong mo namta ki post ki babun ma ki pion ki chokidar ki medical officer ter kena kabre pok sora katu por bami tik labun rok pakali ten plik komini notice namta ki eligible candidate namta ka tarek exam ke hangno malai shimi kita ge admit card ki jong phi kumta ter habe de berkane. This is for general information to all concerned candidate applying for various posts advertised office district Ayush society das is Khasil te kadai pakap apply kena advertisement kadai khala tarik February arjar sa list of eligible candidate qualify for the written examination may check their eligibility from the website te nomor ba ki list jong ki kerteng ki balong eligible ki bon ha tes soba check hi po ka website machealth.gov.in ma ka kerteng ki jong phi apply ka post ayu kadang post pion ban post sweeper kadang post medical officer ki what nurse boys what girl kum tata ter ki bon ha la ka jong te ka list ka jrong ma te sa check hi po website jong machealth.gov.in te ingin select ndala dap kone video langsung ngebiung sapen ep kum no ban lek kata website rul ada don ki bom nang ban lek page kata website te yang ne page mentai kita rek jong ki admit card. Eligible candidate may collect their admit card. Kan mau magi eligible candidate nda fill up check kerteng jol de kadon hagalis. Te fill up ban let collect admit card ke jong phi from the respective center kumik center mang sabatai ki center as per the post applied from 22 May nadu RR tarik jong manai May hadu new tarik Jun. Kemudian hakini kisngi fill up ban let shim hakan ngonoro tang nadu RR hadu new tarik Jun. Kan last kandai new tarik Jun. On working days from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Marhagi sports ngilong train nadu khadoi bajim step hadu saw baje janmet from the center mentioned in the website. Haki tu center blada mention ma phenomena are ban lek haki wi center hang tu blada mention be. Tengye pe kita center kide hai center kar kum ki post bi apply. Eligible candidate are requested to bring along their proof ID kan mau henra ka ID any ID mo kan mau kan ID kala bandai Aadhaar card kala bandai Epic kan ID kala bandra and one passport photograph at the time of collecting their admit card sara kawairu ka passports photograph jasa kan mau ban ra kita ID bat passport photograph tekane ka venue ban collect ki admit card venue for collection of admit card ki post ki ban let collect teka tarik kade bej RR me hadu new tarik June Monday to Friday khatway beje step hadu saw beje janmit Director of Health Service room number 305 health complex la imkhra Shillong kine tangi ki post ki badai district program manager medical officer ayurveda medical officer homeopathic district accountant bat accountant te tangi kine kin let shim ha po director of health service kan mau ba te ki ba apply ka post pion kin let hakane ka office Ayush drug testing laboratory near regional blood center or GDH Road, Pasture Institute, Shillong 1. Tapi habla yang ni ke post pion, ber post sweeper, habla yang kan emo. Po Ayush Drug Testing Laboratory, Pasture Institute, Shillong 1. Te sekan mau banlek pion bat ka sweeper, sekan mau banlek yang kan nega. Anjaka. Te nam tak ini post data entry operator, Jamadar, ban midwife, banlek po civil hospital Shillong, Ayush Department, third floor. OPD building room number 102 Ayurvedic department. Kini kinyo bitang hakane kita berada ban mata yang kinyo bitang hakatuka jaka ben. Then kini ki post number 4 civil hospital Shillong Ganero Ayush department third floor OPD building homeopathic department. Kini ki post kita jong nursing in charge, dresser, lab technician, storekeeper, clerk, registration clerk, cook, ward boy, ward girl, nursing staff. Kini lek shim apa civil hospital Shillong Ayush department third floor ma ka opposite building OPD building homeopathic department. Kaju baik katarik berkapor kaju dan kibada jong post jong multi purpose worker chokidar kidi ban lek apa civil hospital Shillong hi Ayush department third floor OPD building room number 106 yoga and naturopathy department. Tesakan mau kat kum ki jaka pia ban let shim ya ki admit card jogi ra ka ID bat ka dur passport size. Ini bela mention pion sweeper kan mau pin lek apa pasture institute Ayush drug testing laboratory. Dan Tegini examination date for various posts ka singilong exam nam tabarok ki post la kajong tela ada batang ni date of written test kandai ka day 1 kandai arp khnai ter June ar jar sau kila ada thong nemo ta kan min kar kajong phir ada tho te sakan mau bade ki jaka kalong ha nehu mo kon ro shillong Panjmaun government girls government boys senior high school mo khar kine day belong hau arp khnai June te district program manager what boy what girl district program manager district accountant nursing in charge what boy what girl te kini baro kinsa thok be hapo admit kat jong phi te jan mit bede de post jong pion baro de jong pion sudah 6 baje hadu 8 baje te kini baro sandan han mit kat jong phi ngatrai satip hi baro dap ai hang tu te exam kan de be tang arp khandai June dru July bat khalai July tang lai si day 1 day 2 bat day 3 te kini post pion bat boy bat girl program manager kini de arp khandai ter June te kini giwe kende dru July bat khalai ter July te kini ki ba apply number of kanong candidate ki apply kat kum ki post ka district program manager gidon arp ngut ki ba apply applicant accepted nursing in charge san sangut medical officers new fundrungut ayurveda midwife rapra medical officer homeopathy aspa khandriu dresser aspa khnai pungut lab technician lais pasan phuai store keeper clerk lais pa nyufa registration clerk lais pa khnai phlai district accountant saus pa san phuai cook saus pa nyup khandai mpw ndrus pa nyup san deo ndrus pa phuai jamadas shejar phuai nursing staff 6 male 6 female shejar lais pa nyup khandai what boy what girl lajar san pa san khandai chukidar shejar saus pa sofar sweeper arhajan rupsan pion bubun tame baro de sawajar aspa shpho te baro total kolong khat nyojar phaspa rupaan baro total kolong khat nyojar phaspa rupaan te sakan mau ngadan maya thu ka tarik lembe thu ka por ban lechim mit kat te ka por thu exam ter te tamai ka por thu exam bar ka venue kin sa tho akan mit kat ka jong phi ye sikon mau ka tarik ban lechim nadu ar tarik banai me hadu nyo tur jun khadoi bijim step hadu tangki por long trai mo kan mau tangki por long trai khadoi bijim step hadu saw baje jan mit te kat kum ki sentar ba phiyo ban lechim amde baro ban lechim ka ju kat kum ki post phiab lechim ka tak sentar te kum no ban le check ka ta website bade kan mau ka tu ka makehealth kambakal ai ne makehealth.gov.in pikwa ban check ka kerteng junode ka don em ha ka list te lech ha ka ne website makehealth.gov.in tanggal alej minta makehealth.gov.in nda pila alej agane kan mau ban type da katu makehealth.gov.in te sah klik kini ki pdf kan da kwa agane notice pila klik kene written examination ba panji minta te pikwa list eligible candidate te phap klik kene list of eligible candidate for written test phap klik kawai pokawai ne mo kat kum ki post ki ba phi apply te shumbu phi apply pion te phap pe hang na gan jamadar cook sweeper pion klik tang tu word pion te ka sa download hi ka pdf te sa check nang tu la dap pidon em ha ka ne ka list kine lagi bun ma do saw jartam te phi check ka tang phi ka don em la da ka don kemut bi cha accepted te bisa le shim ya admit card ju phi la da kam don mut ba sha reject kan te tang kine ki jing petip ngatrai phi la nang hi ban check one page ban download pdf one page ka tang la de bat ban le ka bron kam te tang kine ki jing petip khulish bun